Hi there, in this video we're going to take a look at this book called Grammaire progressive du français des affaires avec 350 exercices. What is this book all about? Well, this book is a grammar book, but with a focus on business. So it's like your typical grammar book. Let's open it up. On the left here, you see fractions and decimals, so numbers. And here you have the explanation on the left-hand side, and then some exercises on the right-hand side. It is for the beginning of the intermediate level, and it has many good exercises focusing on business. You won't really learn a lot of, vocabulary. It's not the focus of the book to learn a lot of vocabulary or skills related to business. It's more to give grammar for beginning and intermediate learners in a business context. Obviously, sometimes you'll be like, oh, what does that word mean? And you're like, oh, okay, it's a word related to business. This could be used in classroom teaching, but you can also use it as an individual. That's however you want it. There is a second book with corrections. If you don't have anyone to check what you've written and you're unsure whether you did it right, you can get a small book with corrections. So that's just the corrections of the exercises from the first book that you see here. Why do I like it? Well, there is a lot of information in it and very important information. There aren't many details, or it really focuses on what you need to know. And the exercises are really good. There are also some summary exercises called bilan. And then you can test the things you've learned before to be able to practice once again. There are also audio exercises. So as you can see here, there's a little CD waiting for you there. The book is completely in French, so no English use. So you'll need, if that bothers you, well, then better not buy this book. I also like it because the price is, it's even below mid-range. It's not very expensive to acquire this book. Also pay attention, the cover sometimes changes. They made some minor adjustments, I think. I checked the new one online, but I didn't see much difference with this one. So if you're looking for a way to learn grammar in a business context and you're intermediary or intermediate at intermediate level, then I would strongly recommend you to buy this book, and you can do so via the link below in the description.